Hello, ECMS on the Scamper Challenge. I'm not feeling too great today, so I thought I would do a screencast instead of a video of myself. So kind of wanted to go through part 4 responses. Only 3 people responded yesterday, so we're getting a fewer in our Scamper Challenge, but nonetheless wanted to give you all the chance to move on. So Jensen's idea for modifying is that he would change the holder where it holds the top of the pen, and I think he meant pen with the I, P-I-N, to a quick release. So if it gets stuck, we can quick release it, and now it won't get stuck anymore. And that's a really good idea, Jensen, because you might have noticed me stumbling a little bit on some of the videos with trying to get that pen to open. And I did have a lunch in that lunch bag, but trying to hold my phone in one hand and video and then open it with just one hand, you're exactly right. I'd like to know exactly how you would do that. What does a quick release look like to you? I'd be real interested. Emily, so I think you might have seen the video yesterday too, and smaller as in as small as a normal safety pin, or smaller as in a big pen that we've been looking at this week. So a little bit of clarification from you as well. Jeremy, welcome Jeremy, haven't seen you yet. So the big pen, you can put more and more on it, so you can put more stuff on it. I'm not real sure what you're talking about, Jeremy, so if you can reach out a little bit, that would be great. So that was our Scamper Part 4 challenge. So if you all didn't, boy, that's a terrible screenshot there of me. But anyway, that is the link to the YouTube. So if you didn't get to watch that yesterday, watch that and then follow through with us. So we are on part 5 today. So you're going to have another form that's going to come out. I'm going to put this video of my screencast below. And today, part, I didn't just say that. No, I didn't. Part 5 is to put to another use. So put this product to another use. So where could you use it somewhere else, even in a different industry? So if you've been looking at like household kind of things, maybe in transportation or manufacturing or education, something like that, who could use it? So the same people that work in those different the industries, how would they behave differently? So instead of holding things together or pinning something together, binding something, how would it behave differently if it was used somewhere else? And then how would you recycle? I'm not sure we've had any waste, which I'm really proud of, but nothing that we have suggested or looked at is disposable. So I'm kind of proud that we really don't have anybody that'll need to address that recycling waste, because we haven't had any. So you're going to fill in this form again, give me some ideas on how to put to another use, and I look forward to hearing from you.